Good afternoon, all. Today on the workbench, we've got a package. I'm going to do a little unboxing of some Walkie Talkie watches, some FRS Walkie Talkie watches. Let's take a look at them. All right, so we've got the box torn open. This comes from Amazon, obviously, but the distributor is Lucky Product. We're talking about electronics. Anything with lucky or vagueness is always skeptical. Okay. Well, oh well. No name brand. These are Free Talker. Don't really know what Free Talker is. Let's see. Wristwatch, adjustable band, multiple channels, 2.5 miles of range on FRS. Auto squelch. Tons and tons of features, but no, well, I guess Free Talker is the name. Let me actually take a look and see what the name of the, what was the name brand of these that I actually purchased from Amazon. Don't know if they were called Free Talker. Let me take a look at that real quick. All right, so from reviewing my Amazon purchases, the listing is Vectorcom radios. And of course in the description it will say, on this video, it'll say Vectorcom, but they come as Free Talker. There's tons of different makes and models of these. They're the same radio, but they go by all different sorts of names. See, we've got the Free Talker RD008B manual. Some sort of earpiece, another earpiece. They come with chargers. They are not micro USB powered. They come with an 1/8" TRS plug to USB. Not sure if I like that. Not sure if I like this sitting around. I could see some devices getting toasted. And, one of the batteries came out of the little protective sleeving. Almost looks like an old cell phone battery. Get two of those. And then we have the Walkie Talkie watches themselves. A lot of the complaints you read online, there are two of them in here, a lot of the complaints you read online are that the wristband is really flimsy, and even new out of the package it is a weird color. These don't have that problem. Again, a lot of the reviews are from like 2017, 2016, but sometimes you'll get a material that when it scratches it turns white, but yeah, seems to be working okay. Take the back off to put the battery in. Let's pop the battery in and get it fired up and take a look at it. All right, so that was oddly more frustrating than I thought. The battery pops in, but there's a little this little battery puller tab. When you put the battery in place, it actually goes in like this, but you can't close the tab. This little thing's in the way. When it turns on, it makes the same sound as most Motorola walkie-talkies. So I'm sure the chip is either a clone or straight rip-off of a Motorola chip. You've got your little headset port here, and it also says charge. I guess that's the headset port. Not really sure how that works. Later on, and check the description, we're going to do a full field test and work down of these radios. This is just a quick unboxing if you're wondering to know or wanting to know what is in the box. Here you go. So they're the Vectorcom Free Talker wrist watch walkie talkies. So thanks for tuning in for this unboxing. Here you go.